And now we can have conversation together. My dear beginners, you're not beginners anymore because you have been through 23 lessons with me. So you're pre-intermediate now. Please answer the questions. What's your favorite movie? Describe it a little bit more for me. Can you remember a time when you felt really happy with a friend? What were you doing? What are some things that interest you the most? Do you have a special friendship that means a lot to you? Tell me about it. Have you ever climbed a tree? What was it like? Can you describe your favorite meal to eat? Do you like to research new topics online? What's the last thing you looked up? Do you work in an international company? What do you usually use your arm for during the day? How do you feel about math? Do you find it easy or challenging? And now write down what you hear. My personal space is very important to me. We have similar tastes in music. People talking loudly on their phones in public places is another pet peeve of mine. I hope to get the chance to travel the world someday. I never trust a liar. And now translate. Can you show me the route to the nearest supermarket? I got a nice message from my friend this morning. I always bring my cell phone with me. There's a new application that helps you learn languages. I have an interview for a job tomorrow. I hope it goes well. I had to refuse the invitation because I was busy. My table is full of stuff I never use anymore. Can you give me an explanation for why you arrived late? He made the box disappear in front of our eyes. I couldn't open the door, so I had to use force. And now create sentences from these 5 words. Plant, hot, official, street, pretty. That's all for today. Bye-bye.